Hi everyone, this is Amber. Today I'm going to present my State of Union Text Analysis Shiny app. My Shiny app has 4 widgets. They are remove stop words, facet by which column, presenting order, and most frequent word number. And the first analysis I choose is word frequency analysis, and the second is the sentiment analysis. For the word frequency analysis, it basically asks for the top 5, top 10, top 20 words that appear most frequently, which you can see from this visualization that without the stop words, the will be the words that appear the most frequent. If we are interested in the top 10 most frequent list, we can adjust the slide bar over here to get the top 10, and we can adjust to 20 to get the top 20. If we want to see from a increasing frequency, we can press the widget here, which will return a increased frequency, and the resulting table will change accordingly as well. For example, here it is a increasing frequency from the lowest to the most within the top 20 is most frequent word. And if we change it back to decreasing frequency, it will change accordingly. And it also asks for given president and for a certain speech, we can facet by column president, year, or party. For example, if we facet by president, we can see that for President Obama, the most frequent word is the, for President Trump is the as well, and the same result for President George Bush and Biden. And if we add this remove stop word feature, we can see that the stop words are successfully removed, and the result appears to be pretty similar between these presidents, except for President Donald Trump is American, but for others is America. And the second analysis will be the sentiment analysis. Let's change back to the no facet. It basically asks for which words contribute the most to the positive or a negative tone of a speech. The way I create the measurement is if the word is marked as negative, I will replace it by a numeric value of -1. And if it is marked as positive, I will replace it as a numeric value of 1. And then I will collect the sum of the a passage and then divided by the total count, which means I'm getting the mean of the message. As you can see, this is basically a facet by nothing, which is overall passage as a whole. The sentiment score is positive, 0.139, which means in general it has a positive tone. The top 20 contributing word to this positive tone will be support, reform, freedom, etc. And the top 20 words that contribute to the negative tone of this passage in general will be heart, terror, crisis, issue, etc. We can also repeat the procedure we did before. We can facet by president, a year, and party, and we can also change the increasing order and the most frequent words number. For example, I want to look for the top 3 contributing words for different year. We can say it take a little bit long to generate, but here we go. If you look at the table, we can see that for year 2005, it had the most sentiment score, which is 0.33 after remove the stop word. And for year 2003, it has the only negative tone over all these passages. And if we want to look for words contribute most of the score, we can look at, since this is a positive, we look at the chart corresponding to positive 2005, then we can see it is the word freedom. And if we are gonna look at the 2003 negative, we can see 2003 negative, it is the word threat.